Welcome to our lesson on analyzing starlight and understanding the important characteristics of stars. In this video, we'll explore how astronomers study stars, what we can learn from their light, and how we name and classify different stars in our universe. Let's begin with how astronomers analyze starlight. The primary technique used is called spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the study of how light from stars is spread out into a spectrum similar to a rainbow. When starlight passes through a prism or a diffraction grating, the light is separated into different wavelengths or colors. By analyzing a star's spectrum, astronomers can determine many of its properties. First, we can learn about a star's composition. Each element leaves unique fingerprints called absorption lines in the spectrum. Second, we can determine a star's temperature. The color and shape of the spectrum tell us how hot the star is. Hot stars appear blue or white, while cooler stars appear red or orange. Third, we can measure a star's motion through the Doppler effect. If a star is moving toward us, its spectral lines are blue shifted. If it's moving away, they're red shifted. Now, let's explore the important characteristics of stars. One of the key ways astronomers classify stars is by their spectral type. Stars are classified into types O, B, A, F, G, K, and M, going from hottest to coolest. A common mnemonic to remember this order is, "Oh, be a fine girl / guy, kiss me." Our sun is a G-type star with a surface temperature of about 5,800 Kelvin. One of the most important tools astronomers use to understand stars is the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram, or HR diagram. This diagram plots stars based on their luminosity or brightness and their temperature. Most stars fall along the main sequence, which runs from hot, bright stars in the upper left to cool, dim stars in the lower right. Above the main sequence, we find giants and supergiants, which are very bright but not necessarily hot. Below the main sequence are white dwarfs, which are hot but dim due to their small size. Finally, let's talk about how stars are named. Stars often have traditional names that come from ancient cultures, particularly Arabic, Greek, and Latin. For example, Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in Orion, and Polaris, our North Star. Stars are also cataloged using systematic designations like the Bayer system, which assigns Greek letters to stars in a constellation in order of brightness. For instance, Alpha Centauri is the brightest star in the constellation Centaurus, and its companion star Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our solar system. To summarize what we've learned, starlight carries vast amounts of information about a star's properties. Through spectroscopy, we can determine a star's composition, temperature, and motion. Stars are classified by their spectral types and positioned on the HR diagram based on their luminosity and temperature. And finally, stars have both traditional names and catalog designations that help astronomers identify and study them. Thanks for watching this journey through the cosmos.